How to fix Etsy cannot leave review. First of all, you have to check the common causes, which is with for the delivery date. You cannot leave a review until the order's estimated delivery date has passed. And also check the 100-day limit. The review window closes 100 days after the estimated delivery date, so make sure to leave a review before the 100-day limit. And also claim the guest checkouts. If you bought the item as a guest, you must link or claim the purchase to a registered Etsy account first of all, and close the open cases. If you have opened a help case with the seller or Etsy for that order, you cannot review it until the case is fully closed. Or what you can also do is, to bypass the system glitches, you simply have to log out and log right back into the Etsy application or website. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.